Right, check it out, guys. This recipe is Dali Bora. I've made it in 3 styles. I've made a spicy Dali Bora. I've also made the non-spicy, and I've also done an air fry. Made some in the air fryer rather. So, guys, enjoy this recipe. This is as traditional as it gets in the Bengali household, guys. Very simple recipe, but absolutely delicious. In fact, I do prefer it better than the onion bhaji, and that is saying something, guys. So enjoy the recipe. If don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment below, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Babul here from the Bengali Cook. Guys, I have got an amazing recipe for you guys, and this recipe is traditionally enjoyed during the Ramadan season. It's very typical in the Bengali household, and the recipe name is, or the thing we're going to be making is called Dali Bora, which is like a lentil pakora in a way. Now, do you know what? I actually prefer this than the onion bhaji, and now that's saying something. So it's a very simple dish, but very tasty. So what we're going to do, we're going to get cracking on, and I shall tell you what I'll do. Let me go through the ingredients with you first of all. So what we have here, I've got 200 grams of red lentils, and they have been washed and soaked in warm water for the last couple of hours. What we're going to do, we're going to blend this into a real smooth paste. Right, so that's that one. What I've got here, I've got 2 small onion chopped finely. So again, so I made it into quarter, and I've just chopped it roughly. Okay, I've got about 30 grams of finely chopped coriander, and I've also got about 7 to 8 green chilies in there, finely chopped. And I'm going to be using some haldi powder, some salt, and some turmeric powder. What we're going to need is going to be a pan with oil, because we're going to deep fry them, and I've also got an air fryer, which is a new addition to our kitchen. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to try and use the air fryer to make the pakora as well, and I'll let you know how that goes. Having said that, guys, let's get, we need a mixing bowl. Here it is. We're going to use a mixing bowl, so let's get mixing. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, comment below, let us know what you think of our recipes, and let's get cooking Dali Bora. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, I'm going to make 2 types of Dali Bora. One's going to be spicy and one's going to be normal. The first thing we're going to do is add our onions in there. So don't forget, this is 2 finely chopped medium, small sized onions. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add salt. So add salt to your taste. Okay, we're going to add salt. Add salt to taste, roughly just under 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric haldi powder. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. So this recipe I'm showing you guys is a typical Bangladeshi style home cooked recipe. If you want to, by all means, you can add more spices if you want to, but this is the basic how it's done. So we're not adding anything, just showing you how it's really actually done. What I'm going to do now as well is add in, so this is 30 grams of coriander, add that in as well, just under, because I'm going to put some in there. Give it a good mix. Okay guys, one more ingredient we can add, which I forgot to tell you, is going to be garlic paste. So add 1 good teaspoon of garlic paste, get that in there. Just defrost this one from the microwave, in the microwave. Give it a really good mix. What you want to do as well, make sure the onion pieces are all broken down, all separated. So what we've got in here, guys, this is really nice, simple recipe that you can enjoy. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, guys, is I've got a bit more coriander in there, put that in there. 30 grams of coriander going in. I'm I'm going to take some of this out. There we go. I'm just going to make it half. So this will do. So this is going to be the spicy one. This is going to be the normal one, which the family can enjoy. Because you know me, guys, I like hot curries and hot food. So there's about between 6 and 8 green chilies going in. So 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And I'm going to give this a mix. Again, give it a nice good mix so it's all mixed in. So this is going to be our spicy one, this is going to be a normal one. As we said, you can put more ingredients in there. So if you wanted to put some ajwain seeds and cumin seeds, guys, you can more than welcome to. It's going to enhance the flavour. But this is a basic. This one is a basic one that I've shown you how it's made. So it's a real recipe that the Bengali household we eat. And this is going to be my spicy one, okay guys? So I'm going to leave that here. It's time to get this blend into a smooth paste. So this was 200 grams of red lentils, washed, thoroughly washed, and it's been soaked in warm hot water for about a couple of hours. What I'm going to do now, guys, get the NutriBullet out and make that into a paste. Okay guys, so the lentils have been blended into a smooth paste. So I'll show you what I mean. If you can see it there. So look at that. It's a smooth, thick paste. It's not too runny or anything like that. Because this is going to be the batter we're going to use, okay? So what I'm going to do is quickly put some in there. Give it a nice mix. And then what we're going to do is get this one and put some in here as well. So this is more the consistency that you want. I did put a tad too much in here, but it will still work. It will still be nice, because this is going to be our spicy one. If you want to, the other day I did put some Bombay potato. I had some leftover Bombay potato. I did smash it. So if you want to use any other vegetables in here, guys, feel free to do so. And there you go, and we are ready. So let's move this out of the way. Let's put the heat on to the oil. Wrong one. There we go. So let this get hot, and I'll come back to the video, guys. Just before, so here it is. So this is the sort of consistency that you want. So this is going to be a normal one, non-spicy, and this is going to be our spicy Dali Bora, so the chili and so forth is going to go in there. Look at that. Let's just move this out of the way for now. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now, guys, I'm just going to check to see if the oil is hot. So what I'm going to do is just dip one of these, hopefully you can see it, yes you can, in there, and that looks good. It's great. Just going to make sure, yeah, so the heat, I'll put it down on a medium to sort of low heat now, so look at it, it's just all good. So what I'll do, so as that's getting done, let's put the other one in here. So again, same, just pick up a spoon, drop it down. Leave that there for now. And all we can do now, guys, is just wait for this to just cook away. So what I'll do, I'll switch the video off and I'll come back to it in a few minutes. Okay guys, so once our Dali Bora is nice and golden colour, check it out guys, nice and crispy as well, nice and golden, check it out, well there, it is ready. So I'm going to take these out, and put the rest of the pakoras in there as well. These are done as well guys, check it out. There we go, look at that, beautiful, nice and crispy. Okay. So this is our Dali Bora. I'm just going to add the spices, some of the spicy ones in here. Okay. Two to 3 minutes guys, and that will be cooked as well, so let's just wait for that to go golden colour as well. So this is going to be our air fry one guys, so let's get some of these spicy ones in there. Just going to do 4 and see how it goes on this one. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add one of these, tiny bit of 1 squirt of the light fry oil on all of them. Oh, there you go, you can see it there. And we'll get that back in here. As I'm doing that, you can see these are the spicy ones, they are ready. Give it a quick turn. Wow, these are looking delicious guys. Look at that. Look at these guys. Drop them in there. These are the spicy ones guys, these are looking absolutely gorgeous. Right, so I'm just going to put the air fryer back on. Okay guys, the air fryer's gone off, so let's check it out. So here's the 4 that we just did. Let's check it out. They look quite good. They look good, to be fair. Well, there you are. Right, so I'm going to take some pictures of that, then we'll get into it. Right, there it is guys, so let's have a quick look. I'm really interested in looking at the air fryer version. It looks really good, it looks nice and crispy, it is nice and crispy. So I had it on in total, I played around with this 8 minutes on 200 degrees on there. Look at that, that is good. Look at that guys, that's good. Dip in some ketchup. That is nice, that is nice, that is good. Right guys, this is the, let's try this one here. Nice, look at that. This is the, where you go, this is the spicy one. Look at that. There you are, look at that. Dip it in, some ketchup maybe. That's good. This is a non-spicy one, so again, look at that. There you are, absolutely gorgeous. So with it nice and crispy, guys. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Please enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and do share our channel with other people, guys. Right, lots of love, and I'll see you in the next video.